here's how you can make a mask out of a t-shirt.
To mask or not to mask? That's been the question. Now it's recommended by the CDC or Center for Disease Control if you're going out to the store or a place where it's difficult to social distance. The latest recommendations on masks are based on the research that many people are pre-symptomatic or asymptomatic or have COVID-19 and don't even know it. To make a DIY mask, you need an old t-shirt and a scissors. So cut a hand's width from the bottom of your t-shirt. So before you go out and buy a mask, know that 1, they're probably sold out, and 2, there's a critical shortage of masks for medical staff. So you're better off building your own.
Okay, so I'm gonna measure 1 hand, 2 hand, 3 hand, and here I'm gonna cut.
Okay, and then about that high, another hand, I'm gonna cut a rectangle. All right, and then pull that off. And there you go!
To tie it up, you're gonna put this above your ears like so, and you're gonna want to take this all the way to the top. That way you've created a really good seal. Of course, a mask is not 100% effective, but it does help stop the spread.
And if you want to add more layers to your mask, you can simply put more fabric inside. I'm covered up. You can also make a mask using a bandana. Share your DIY mask stories with us. This is #OurStories. What's yours?